Personalities split, one up, never love the half dozen. Now who the fuck else wanna talk shit? Now who the fuck else wanna get ripped? Now who the fuck else think I'm a bitch? Come take a fucking shit. I swear that dog got you let up in the clip. Snapping like dicks from the bank from the west. Cook up and paint, don't be I'm in my chest. Escape out the sight when I walk on the murder street. Voices inside of me won't let me go to sleep. Drowning in sleeping pills covered in ashes. Riding down Paris since I've never met. Ready to die, bitch, I'm ready to die. I put on the trigger, got blood on my saddle. Fuck, is she okay?
No, I'm just a sight. Deranged out the gate. It's always been my fate. Live slick and riding pain. Groovy pumping shot. Crucified and top. Young Christ risen out the concrete.
Outside in the all black rock. 10 rolled up when I'm out. Say they all wanna live, but I just wanna die. Motherfucker, if you're looking for me, find me in the night. I got nothing, wanna fight, I wanna take your fucking life and end it right on sight. When I strike, if you bump in a bike. Block out for the cops, pop a 6-shot drop. Then I try to the rocks with me on blood clot. Red dot by the drop when I cock, then I slide. No tune, no plot, throw 'em off for the yacht. Undock with the side of the skull hanging in the fucking river. Oh, suicide 666 59, so cynical.
Got a pound on the ground, I'm lounging. Blow another round, I'm drowning. Climb to the top of a job, I'm riding.
Swerve, swerve in the motherfucking all white crowd. Back blue like Mount, yes, I red down. Let's stole it from my company cause he pop another round, kid. Got the town lit up by the flame that I made from my grave. 7-day big grave for the plague on the 7-day grave. Bodies laying the grave.
Still got that badge, still got that gun, still got that patch, still got that stun, still got that cash, bitch, I burn it for fun, put the Glock in my skull, then I
Yeah, Southside suicide, kids self-hope. Say you getting money, but your number don't